Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Google Calendar to Windows 10 taskbar using Opera GX browser. For this, first open Opera GX browser, then visit Google Calendar website and sign into your account. After that, click on this one Start button and search for Opera GX. Then right click on this one Opera GX entry. Select Open File Location. Now right click on this one shortcut. Again select Open File Location. Now you will see Launcher application. Press Shift and then right click on this one Launcher. In the pop-up, select Copy as Path. Now right click on the free space on the desktop. Select New and then Shortcut option. Paste the copied path, then put one space, then hyphen, then type URL, then again put one space. Now copy the Google Calendar path from Opera GX browser and paste it at the end of the location box. Now click on this one next button. Name it Google Calendar. Click on this one finish button. Now right click on this one desktop shortcut and select pin to taskbar. This will pin a Google Calendar icon to your Windows 10 taskbar. Whenever you will click on this one icon, it will open Google Calendar in a new tab in your Opera GX browser.